What's up, guys? Vince Perry here, your commercial claims advocate, and I'm here to tell you about our course that we've got right now coming up in October. How much do you want to learn the insurance claims process, like from beginning to end? And my process as an advocate coming into the claim from the beginning, as soon as you see damage, asking the right questions, making sure you're gathering the documentation the way you're supposed to, making sure you're following something that's very important in the policy. It's called the duties after the loss. Making sure you're gathering documentation, taking the photos, getting all invoices and receipts, mitigating the damage to make sure it gets worse, getting expert documentation, all the things that are required from the outset as soon as you sign a claim till you actually file the insurance claim. What if I can teach you how to make sure that how to properly communicate with the insurance adjuster? What if I can teach you how to make sure you've got the proper follow-up process to make sure that the claim gets settled fast and for top dollar? What if I can teach you how to scope the loss, estimate the loss, and make sure that you're presenting the proper arguments to the insurance company so that your client gets paid? That's what I'm going to do for you in our course coming in October. It's basically going to be one full day, just intense with me, teaching you my entire process as an advocate for the policyholder and teaching you how that process goes from A to Z, from signing the claim to settling the claim, from signing the claim to working the claim to disputing the claim to getting the claim paid. Every single thing. On top of that, you're going to get this right here. That is our Public Adjuster Handbook that I personally have written just for you to make sure that not only are you going to get that full day Zoom webinar where we're going through slides and where you're going to have me explaining to you and really telling you some interesting stories of what I had to get throughout particular claims to get the claim settled, but you're also going to get this nice, beautiful book that we put together for you that basically outlines in detail, much more detail, on the insurance claims process as an advocate. On top of that, that's just day one. Day two, it's going to be our experts. It's probably one of the things that people really enjoy most about the course. Since the first day is pretty intensive, you're going to be learning a lot. The second day is a little bit more conversational. It's a little bit more open. It's a little bit more getting to really talk to our experts. And our experts in this one is going to be Mario Rios, who's been my estimator for the last 6.5 years. It's going to be my attorney that I have been using now for over 10 years, David Farber. And it's going to be Rico Garcia, who I use also for two things: for water mitigation, making sure that the water damage gets dried out, making sure there's a tarp on top of the roof, making sure that you have somebody gathering the evidence that you need to get the claim paid. And he's also an expert on Google Ads. So you're going to get some Google Ads stuff that he is just tremendous at and teaching you how to market your business and make sure that you can grow your business online to the next level. And on top of all that, you get the first day of the online Zoom course. You get the second day and getting to discuss with our experts. You get this beautiful book that you could take home with you and you could read through it, make sure that you don't miss anything. We're going to give you a recording of the entire course so that you can keep and you can watch later. And you're going to get a lot of my letters too. We have a setup of templates for first follow-up letter, second follow-up letter, third follow-up letter, litigation threat, different things like that. It's basically a template that you'll be able to use and you'll be able to just fill in however you want with your logo and with whatever information you've got for your claim and send that to the insurance company to really put their backs up against the wall to make sure that claim gets paid. All of this, guys, you're getting for just $6.99. And I'm going to tell you right now, it is the last time. This will be the last course that you will be able to get at that price and really just this live Zoom course. We may do it again, but we're going to be basically putting together something a little bit different. So it's the last opportunity that you have to have basically one-on-one with me, one-on-one with our experts for a low price of $6.99. So I suggest you take advantage of the offer. We do keep the class limited to about 20 people to make sure that we don't have just too many people sort of involved. But I suggest you take advantage of the opportunity now, because I'm telling you, it will be the last time that it will be at this price of $6.99. It's a wealth of information that you guys could use, whether you've been doing this for 0 years or 3 years or 5 years. I can promise you and guarantee you, not only will you be getting 10 times the value of that $6.99 price, but you will walk away with a lot more knowledge of the insurance claims process and basically everything that you need to know of what goes on throughout an insurance claim. So check it out. Make sure that you click on the link, okay? Click on the link right now that we provided to you so you could get your spot in our last course that we are doing, live Zoom course at this price. So check it out now, and I look forward to seeing you in October.